when the work is high risk? Uncertainty isn't an option. Do you know who's authorised to carry out the work? Have the right checks been completed? And is the permit to work actually approved? Permit to work systems help organisations control higher risk activities. But when permits rely on paperwork and disconnected processes, maintaining visibility can become another challenge. With Keyzo's ePermits, your permit to work process becomes digital from start to finish. Everything is visible, easier to manage and fully reportable. Easily create and issue an ePermit to work. You can assign the people involved and define the requirements for the job, all in one place. Once issued, the recipient is notified and can access the ePermit to work directly from their dashboard. Permit details, risk levels, responsibilities and required actions are clearly presented, so recipients can see exactly what's expected of them. Required checks and forms are completed digitally, while the workflow gives clear visibility as the permit progresses through each stage. Fully optimised across all devices, ePermits gives your teams access to the information they need, wherever the work takes them. Less paperwork, less administrative burden, less risk exposure for your business and operations, greater visibility through real-time reporting, and clearer control to help your teams make better decisions with confidence. Visit our website www.keyzo.co.uk for details and follow our social channels to keep up to date with our latest news.